So Mother Janava was in this way encouraging Lord Nityananda and supporting Lord Nityananda and providing the full support, and Nityananda was going far, to millions he was preaching. Now what happened is, time changes course, and different times of life we play different roles in society, and these roles can be absolutely opposite to each other. Sometimes roles are absolutely in the background, sometimes roles are absolutely in the front. And the challenge for a conditioned soul is, when these roles changing roles, you adjust, you become flexible to that, you adjust and you take up those roles equally enthusiastically. Now the time came, gradually Mahaprabhu left, Nityanand Prabhu left, Advaita Acharya left, Gadadhar Pandit left, Srivas Thakur left, Swarup Damodar Goswami, everyone left. Now what was needed? Everyone needed a shelter for Vaishnav community. Now very important here, even in those times there was such a need of a proper shelter for a Vaishnav community. And naturally when one leader goes, another leader, somebody, look, who we can take shelter, who can guide the whole community. And the interesting part is, here nobody has to go saying, okay, vote for me, vote for me, vote for me. Here we see automatically, by the personification of certain qualities, the whole committee automatically takes shelter in that direction. So the whole community immediately came to this conclusion that the one person worth taking shelter is Jahanava Devi. And the first people, now interesting thing is, sometimes everybody outside takes shelter, but home people do not take shelter. They know, they don't value the person staying within. And the first people who took shelter of Jahanava Devi, 3 children. Because Vasudha Devi had left that time. And Vasudha Devi's 2 children were Veerbhadra and Ganga Devi. So these 2, they took shelter and they took Diksha from Jahanava Devi. And then she had adopted one son, I guess his name was Ramachandra, and she initiated him also. And when the whole community came to know that these 3 children have taken shelter of Jahanava Devi, gradually Vaishnavas from all different directions started coming and taking shelter of Jahanava Devi. And all Nityanand Prabhu's followers, though were all under Nityanand Prabhu's Diksha, Shiksha, etc., they all also happily came shelter of Jahanava Devi. And Jahanava Devi understood, now the role is changing. All the time the role was assisting Nityanand Prabhu, but now there is another role which is coming in her life. And gradually, one by one, she has disciples as brahmacharis, she has disciples as sannyasis, she has disciples as householders, she has disciples from all different sects. Everyone is following. Such kind of respect she commanded.